Kerosene heaters indoors, safety first.
Hello, viewers. In this video, we're going to be discussing a very important topic, the potential risks of using a kerosene heater indoors. Kerosene heaters can be a fantastic source of heat, especially during those cold winter months. However, it's essential to understand the potential hazards associated with their use to maintain a safe environment. Let's get started.
What are the risks associated with kerosene heaters?
Kerosene heaters are not inherently dangerous, but they can pose risks if not used correctly. The main hazards you need to be aware of include carbon monoxide poisoning, fires, and indoor air pollution. Carbon monoxide poisoning. Kerosene heaters can produce carbon monoxide, a colorless, odorless gas that's extremely dangerous if it builds up in enclosed spaces. Carbon monoxide poisoning can lead to symptoms such as dizziness, headaches, nausea, and even loss of consciousness or death in severe cases. Fire hazard. Kerosene heaters can become fire hazards if they tip over or if flammable materials come into contact with them. Additionally, improper fuel storage or handling can lead to accidents and fires. Indoor air pollution. Kerosene heaters can release various pollutants into your indoor environment, including nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide. This indoor air pollution can trigger allergies and exacerbate respiratory conditions like asthma.
How can you mitigate these risks?
Now that we understand the risks, let's talk about how we can minimize them. Proper use, maintenance, and ventilation are all key to safely using a kerosene heater indoors. Proper use and maintenance. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions when using and maintaining your kerosene heater. Only use the recommended type of fuel, and make sure to keep the wick clean. It's also important to ensure the heater is stable and won't easily tip over. Adequate ventilation. Make sure the space where you're using the kerosene heater is well ventilated. Cracking a window open can help prevent carbon monoxide buildup and reduce the concentration of other pollutants. Consider using a carbon monoxide detector as an additional safety measure. There you have it. By understanding the potential risks associated with using kerosene heaters indoors and taking steps to mitigate these hazards, you can enjoy the warmth they provide while staying safe. Remember, safety first. We hope you found this information helpful and stay warm this winter. Thanks for watching.